And being an MP is fun, right? But this, I love it. And so it doesn't feel like work. How comfortable I am now is insane. Like the first day, and in my mind, I thought, if they can do this, I can do this. Like, they've been here 6 months and they can just go in and just know depth and whatever. It's the things that they're saying that they said at the beginning that I didn't get, and now I do get. And she's like, your depth is perfect. And I'm like, oh. Like, there's no way I could have been taught that in a weekend program. No way. You have to keep doing it, showing up. Doing it, showing up. When I'm looking at anatomy, or I'm looking at Dr. Tim Pierce's, things, you understand it. Like, you really have to immerse in it to understand it. Like, you can't just weekend option this. You can't. I'm so grateful, and I know like this is going to take off. You built something amazing. Like, seriously, if I would have known, I would have never done that weekend thing. But I just felt like I don't feel comfortable. Like, I'm an MP, so I know like what I need to know and what I need to understand. And to come in here and to get all of that is like insane. You come in, you don't know, they show you, you do it. Now you have to show them that you can do it. If you keep repeating that, and they say, who wants to go first? I'm always first. I'm always me. As the months go on, you will become the senior. It's phenomenal. Basically, it's a mentorship. It's like you are dropped into aesthetics. You get to witness it, you get to learn, you get to practice, and then you flip it around. And now it's like, let me show you that I know how to do this. And then you can also see with the trainers, the trust they have with you. And they can sense the confidence, just like your patients will sense your confidence. There's no way I could have done a weekend and gone in there like, okay, I'm gonna go talk to you. You know what I mean? So I'll be opening a practice in the spring in Midlothian. Yay! I'm getting everything squared away. My big binder, I got it together. My physician looked at it. And now I'm basically opening this aesthetics practice under his company. The confidence in just knowing your stuff now and knowing that I have you guys behind me, like NeoWell, the other injectors, like everybody's so nice. Reach out to me if you have questions, or Cassie with the anatomy, like let me know if you ever have XYZ, I can help. Like, it's like a village, like it really is. Came in and got this whole plethora of all these people who are rooting for you and helping you, and like, try this or try this, and I went to see this, and this is what I used or whatnot. It's so refreshing. Everybody's been very helpful, very patient. I love them all. I would say jump. Like, honestly, I'm the type of person, when I lock in, like, I'm locked in. So when I went to the weekend program and I thought this isn't enough, I didn't say, oh, I'm just not going to do this. I said, I need more. And if you're really passionate about it, like, you're going to make a way, you're going to be in every class, you're going to get everything that you need. The confidence, the business part of it, different techniques, like, you're going to get everything you need. It makes sense now. Like, okay, so I'm going to do this product. Now, like, in my mind, the things that I want to get based off of pricing and the things, that I like, I know exactly what products I'm going to get. I know I'm getting RHA. I know I'm getting Radius. I know I'm getting Zeomin. And I know I'm getting Dysport. You just learn so much. You just get everything. And the things that you didn't even know you needed, you're getting. Like the business side, I just thought, oh, I'm going to come learn how to inject or whatever. And you start breaking down the numbers, and I'm like, you know what? That does make sense. I can just see it, visualize it. Even like talking with you about Instagram and all those things. When you're talking, I'm listening. If you listen to those books that you put in that business basics class, listen to what they say and the things I'm implementing now, and like how I want the world to see my page, what I give them. Like, Instagram is not like, oh, it's fun. It's work. Everything that I put out is purposeful. Every page that I engage with is purposeful. My brow mentor told me, she said, if you get on there and make sure 30 minutes out of the day, you're engaging with other pages that are similar to yours, other injectors, other things, comment, like, no, not just like, but engage, because the algorithm will reward you for engaging. You need to become their peer. They sense it, like the confidence. You're really just doing it. My first client is, I feel like I almost want to ring a bell. Like, we made it. We did it. And just pouring into women and just like, making it my own. I want them to feel how I felt after I got Botox and filler. Like, oh my God, I look so rejuvenated. My clientele is me. Like, I know what you want. You don't like these hollows. You don't like that this is falling forward. You want to, feel a little more refreshed. Like, nothing overly done. I'm just excited to have those people come back in those before and afters, and just feels good. It's so rewarding when we do a patient, inject a patient, and the lips are like, this is perfect. And they're so happy.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Good freaking job.
Thank you. Thank you.